Good morning, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Keegan. Hey, my dog, little idiot right here, forgets how to use the doggy door. But how can you be mad? Because she's so cute. Hi. Oh, they're like reunited. Hi. I love you too. I love you too. That was a weak throw. Hello. For this video, we're going to be doing a week in my life. Today is Monday. I have a summer internship and I don't work Mondays or Fridays or like the weekends either. Monday, Friday, and the weekends are normally days that I film, get YouTube stuff done. So today I have a video I want to film. I have a try on haul that I need to film. It's kind of like filming two videos. I need to film like me trying all this stuff on and then me actually talking. And I normally like to try all this stuff on before I've eaten food because I have like morning skinny. I need to get ready. I need to clean my room and organize all the clothes. My room's a little messy. Hello, I'm popping in here to let you know that on my Instagram I am doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a $50 Sophomore gift card. Every single day throughout the summer I'm going to be having a giveaway going on. So check out my Instagram, follow me. I just hit my face when I did that, but yeah, go enter my giveaway. That's all. Here's my room before. I'm so sorry. I know I'm disgusting, but sometimes you just get so busy that you physically don't have time. I'm gross, I know. This is not my best angle, but it looks kind of cool. I just finished cleaning my room and now I'm going to post my video that I uploaded today onto my story, but I need to like edit it. So okay. I'm sure no one cares how I do this, but I just like screenshot the video and then I just color in the rest and then do like swipe up and then some like gifs and everything and then I call it a day. Okay, so I just I just posted this story and then all of these from the store. Woohoo! Oh, and look at beautiful Amanda. Can't see me, I'm in the mirror, but I'm blurry. I'm gonna get ready so I can film and then I can eat, and I'm really excited. There's a bug. Makeup and hair are done. Now I just need to get dressed. The bug needs to go away. Oh my god. Now I just need to get dressed and then I'm going to start. In case you guys have ever wondered what my filming setup looks like, my camera goes here. I have a monitor, then I also use my laptop as a monitor as well so I can control my camera. I need to raise all of these because I normally sit down, and when I do the try on parts I need to stand. I'm gonna film the try on parts first so I can overlay them in the video, and then I'm going to film the talking part next. I just finished the try on portion of the haul. As you can see, I made a mess. It took me over an hour to film it. I haven't even filmed the talking part yet, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna get some lunch, or I'm gonna make some lunch. Yeah, that was actually really exhausting trying on that many clothes. Here's what I'm having for lunch. So I made half a chicken breast with like salt and pepper because I wanted some protein. I was snacking a lot while I was cooking, so I like I'm a little bit fuller. I have frozen grapes. Frozen grapes are my favorite snack ever. Some of these are like a little old, so like I might not eat those. Yeah, my favorite snack, and then I'm just gonna pick at some watermelon. Yummy lunch while I watch Revenge. Whenever I get obsessed with a Netflix show, it literally is like all I do. And I've already seen this one, but I'm just rewatching it. I shouldn't be eating while vlogging, sorry. One of my biggest recommendations is if you guys are going to make a YouTube channel and you're serious about it, is to get a hard drive. This is my little adapter for my laptop, and I will put all the files from my SD card onto my hard drive, and I have them labeled by like year, what type of video, if they're edited or unedited. This video right here is 23.4 gigabytes, and so that takes up a lot on your laptop, so that's a good way of saving space on your laptop. Just a little tip, I finished filming the video. I haven't finished cleaning up the room. The room's a complete mess right now. I normally film videos and just go straight to like trying to edit it, and like I'm not really cleaning my filming room, but I'll get there. And I want to listen to the audio on these videos because sometimes it sounds a little weird. Next place I went to was Zara. I've never been to Zara before. There's always this like really annoying hum. Can you guys hear it? And when I went there, I had like I have no idea what that annoying hum is. Good morning, happy Tuesday. It's like 5:30ish right now. I woke up pretty early, like always. Here's the fit, the shirt, and then the cute pants. Oh, there's like fuzz. This blanket gets fuzz on everything. They're both from Nordstrom Rack, and they're in the haul that I showed yesterday. Already up. I really need to get my hair done. Do you guys see my roots? I need to put some deodorant on. Today at my internship, I have a couple meetings. I have one meeting with the senior vice president of marketing, which is like my boss's boss's boss, which is like the highest person in marketing. marketing and I've never met this person. And I pretty much have to like present to her my project. I'm a little nervous. It's gonna be great. I wore my nice pants for it. I want it to look nice. Dress for your day. That's what they always say. I also have no data this week at all. So whenever I'm like gone out of my house, I can't go on anything, which sucks. I normally will like check my email and do some YouTube stuff at my lunch break. I'll probably have to get gas during my lunch break because it takes me like a quarter tank to get there and back because it's just so much traffic and it's really far away. And I have a quarter tank left. I'm probably gonna go to Costco during my lunch break. Last Tuesday I got Chipotle and I ate Chipotle in the line to get gas at Costco. Might do that again. It's kind of fun. Maybe a mukbang, whatever those are called. I don't know. I'm drinking water. It's great. Very obvious. I really apologize for that entire clip. It's just like really early to think, you know? Hello, I'm literally in the parking lot of my internship right now. I just got off. I didn't go to Chipotle for lunch. I pretty much worked through my lunch, so I didn't even eat lunch. I've had kind of a rough day. Maybe I'm being dramatic, but like a little like baby traumatic kind of thing. My badge didn't work, so I couldn't get into the parking lot and I couldn't get anywhere in the entire building because your badge needs to scan into the parking lot, needs to scan the elevators to get anywhere. So I hit like one of those badges that are for people that forget their badges. And then my mouse just like randomly stopped working. I'm just really hungry, so I haven't even eaten today. I can't really vlog in my internship because it's like really unprofessional and it's also a bank and there's like people's information, so like that also kind of sucks, you know. I had a lot of meetings today. I went over this document that I've literally been doing since the day I got there, and I feel like, you know, when someone's like pregnant for 9 months and then they're finally like going into the hospital to like give labor, that kind of feels like give birth, you know, kind of feels what it, gosh, I cannot talk today. I have no food in my system. Kind of what it feels like because I've been working on this for so long and I've had so many edits and revisions and everything. Hi, do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? You can come with me. Okay, bye. Gave you the opportunity. A little bit later, I ate a lot of tacos, some chips, some cookies, like I ate a lot of food actually, and I'm really full, but my mom ordered pizza, so I'm gonna eat some more. I'm going to get some gas. I'm almost empty. I only have 1/8 of a tank and I can't get to work tomorrow with only 1/8 of a tank. I'm going to get gas, go home, eat some food, and then I'm going to go hang out with a friend. I might like bring stuff and sleep over at my friend's house because her house is a lot closer to my work than my house is, so I can just get ready there. I just live really far away from my work. I'm literally struggling so hard with this. I had to put my card in twice. It wouldn't fill up. This is the best feeling ever. Oh my gosh, nothing compares to this. Hello and welcome to my mukbang that I promised you. Oh, I just dropped my fork. I have 30 minutes to eat this and to get back, but I'm a fast eater, so I got a bowl. I splurged. I got queso. Yummy. I don't know, they're just, I don't know. Oh my god. I feel like they put a jalapeno in there somewhere. It is never that spicy. Oh my god. I don't have water in here. Oh my god. That hurt. I feel like I look very unprofessional today, which I definitely do. I don't know what I'm gonna say. The Chipotle line was literally wrapped around the entire inside of the building. It was so long. I almost left then. I was like, there's literally nothing over here. So I'm just gonna eat my Chipotle in peace. I'm sorry.
Hi, how are you? The only reason I want a child is to just decorate their room.
What about the cute baby clothes?
Don't get me started on cute baby clothes. Like, I can't walk past baby clothes. I'm not okay.
We're at Target right now. Kayla needs stuff. I want to get laxatives.
I don't know.
Are they actually? Can't find laxatives.
I don't want to ask anyone either.
You're like, hi, where's the medicine that makes you poop?
Can we talk about how cute my phone case is?
I thought you just said you wanted to get a new one. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my god. Wow.
Rather, what does that mean?
Frond. Prawn. Is that how you say prawn? It's like a leaf tree thing. No? I feel like you'd frame that in your room. Like
I would.
Kayla framed a card that we got her.
And then, fun fact, they got me the same card the next year. Next year, does that make sense?
My mom did.
So, Chris should really think about that next time.
I was planning on editing a video and then uploading and having it all ready for tomorrow, but the video had this really annoying hum in the background. I've come to learn it's from this guy, and so I want to just position my camera and have everything set up so it doesn't have that annoying hum, so I can refilm the video over the weekend. Bought this beautiful, expensive lens. I'm gonna test out some like lighting situations. We can see how the lighting is and then see how the audio is. I just ordered a new microphone. Hopefully that's what the problem was. was because every single time I did test shot, the audio was different and I didn't change the position of the camera or anything. Hello. Happy Thursday. So I just got done with my internship. I'm done for the week, blessed. I left 30 minutes early because I worked 30 minutes longer yesterday. And I don't know if my manager knew that or not, but like I was in the elevator and like as the door closed, we like made eye contact and I think she thought I was trying to leave early, but I wasn't, I promise. Oh my gosh, you guys, I tried to make this tortellini yesterday. It literally smells like dog poop. It was so gross. I really want to make salmon, but it takes like 35 minutes to make, then I have to preheat the oven and it's like a whole thing. I'll make salmon. I don't know if you guys remember this, but a while ago I was talking about how my windshield was cracked. So last Friday, literally less than a week ago, I got it fixed, and today, no, actually last Saturday, not even a full, I don't feel like counting, but my windshield's cracked again, and it's like so cracked that like goes through into my car, and so I was like, where's this like air coming from? Yeah, my windshield's cracked. My camera battery died, sorry about that. A little update for you guys. It's currently 6:22. I ate so much food when I got home. I have this really bad habit of like, if there's food in front of me, I'm gonna eat it. So I just ate so many like Oreos and chips, and I just need to stop doing that. It's just such a bad habit of mine. Currently watching the Kylie Jenner Day in My Life, and then I just got my microphone. I've been responding to emails and doing all that stuff for sponsorships and just like looking at stuff, you know, doing some YouTube work stuff, reading them, seeing which ones I'm interested in, texting my manager. So I want to test out this microphone and then see if the audio quality is better than my old microphone. It smells weird. So right now we're doing some audio test takes. As you can see, I'm in that little screen. Normally I have my monitor on and then also my laptop so I can control my camera because it's pretty far away. So I'm pretty sure the audio is off because that's all you hear. Yikes. We're currently doing audio test number 2 right now. I'm just trying to talk. It still sounds like nothing. Oh my gosh, I'm stressed. Just kind of hit me that I should read the instruction manual. It needed a battery. Wow. Good morning. Happy Friday. I'm in a really good mood right now because I just got a very exciting email. And I just showered. Last night, I was just playing with a bunch of makeup because I was bored. It didn't go over very well. I realized I'm not very good at doing makeup. Beauty guru who? Don't know her. Today I'm planning on refilming the video that I filmed on Monday because it like sucked and the audio was horrible. I actually have plans to hang out with one of my friends today, but like we haven't talked about it for 2 weeks, so I'm assuming that like it's not happening. And then I really want to go tanning because I feel like my tan's gone, but it's getting really hot. That's just what's going on. My stomach is growling. I ordered a bunch of clothes and I wonder if they'll be here today in time for my haul. I don't know. I'm just having a really good day so far. I woke up in the middle of the night feeling super duper sick, and so I was like really worried. I like woke up at 3 a.m. and I like ran to the bathroom, which is horrible. Maybe too many details, but I feel a lot better now. Thriving. Just waiting for my hair to dry so I can get ready. I'm dressed and I'm ready to film. I have everything set up. Last night I put all the clothes out so I can like have everything ready. Everything's fine. Great. Yeah. There's someone mowing their lawn outside or like using like a leaf blower. He just stopped actually. Oh, he left. Thank God. Now we can actually film. I was like, are you kidding me? I just finished filming literally 1 second ago. Here's my pile. Yikes. Now I have to put all these clothes away for the 2nd time, which is so much fun. Love that for me. If you guys ever wonder what I wear filming, I just wear like Brandy Melville shorts and then a cute shirt. I haven't seen my dogs yet today. Are they gone? Hello? Hi. Oh, do you want your belly rubbed? Okay, beautiful. Sally Hansen just sent me this. This is their Airbrush Legs Illuminator in Golden Glow and Nude Glow and then some wax strips. So thank you so much to Sally Hansen. In other news, I'm really stressed out right now. A lot of like YouTube stuff and like sponsorship details and like emails. It's just, I feel like I can't breathe because I feel so stressed out. Like I feel like I'm like limiting myself to oxygen, which is stupid. I need to stop doing that. But I just feel so restricted. It feels like I can't breathe. I don't know. I just have some really big things that I just like, ugh. I'm currently cooking chicken and I'm watching Grammy's vlog, and then I'm gonna saute some mushroom, and then I'm gonna eat this really cute dog. Just kidding, I'm not gonna eat her. She's too cute to eat. So this didn't go how I planned it to go. I did a little taste test as I was sauteing the mushroom. You know, I'm gonna try a mushroom right now. Pretty good. So I was sauteing the mushrooms and I was like, oh, I'll have a bite of chicken. The chicken was so gross. And then I was like, oh my God, ew. So I added soy sauce. I added a ton of soy sauce. I didn't really need to add that many, but oh, the oven's still on. Oh my gosh. Woo, that's actually a stove. Sorry. I think the chicken's bad or something. Like it went bad. You may think I'm gross, but I'm still gonna eat it because I'm not trying to waste food. And it looks out. I tried to add garlic, but I couldn't find any garlic. It's really gross, but I'm still. You know, I realized that I could possibly get food poisoning from that, so. Hi. Hello. What's it like being the cutest puppy in the entire world? What's it like? Okay, bye. For the past couple hours, I've been planning something that you guys are going to be really excited for. I don't know if I should talk about it. Like, I have no legal obligation that I can, but I feel like I kind of want it to be a surprise. But the hint I'll give you is that I asked you guys if you wanted me to do it, and you guys said yeah. That is the hint. I'm so freaking excited, you guys. Sorry, I'm texting a friend. Today has just been really stressful, but also really exciting. Right now, I'm trying to look at some background music, or like some like music, some like non-copyright music. If you guys are wondering, I use Epidemic Sounds, and it's the best. But also, there's so many songs on here that it's really hard to find a good song because there's so many. I'm just really excited for this, you guys. A little bit later, I already had dinner. I had shrimp and then sauteed mushrooms. Oh good, I love to cook. But I think I'm just going to end the vlog here. I hope that you guys liked it. If you move that out of my face. If you guys like this vlog, let me know. Let me know if I should do more Week in My Life in the summertime. I'm planning on doing a ton when I go back to college, so that will be more exciting. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to enter my giveaway on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!